Hello everyone, and welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you one of Sri Lanka's natural treasures, coconut oil, or pal thel. In Sri Lanka, the coconut tree is called the tree of life. Every part of it is useful, but the oil is the most precious gift. Traditionally, coconut oil is made by drying coconut flesh and pressing it into pure oil. Today, we also make virgin coconut oil using modern cold press methods. Coconut oil is more than just cooking oil. Coconut oil is more than just cooking oil. It's full of natural health benefits. Boosts energy, supports digestion, good for the heart and brain, natural immunity booster. In Sri Lanka, coconut oil is essential in our cuisine, from spicy curries to crispy frying. Sri Lankan women use coconut oil for beauty, strong hair, glowing skin, and even baby care. Today, we create many natural products from coconut oil, herbal hair oils, organic soaps, cosmetics, capsules, and Ayurvedic medicines. In temples and villages, coconut oil is used in lamps and rituals, symbolizing purity and healing. So, when you choose Sri Lankan coconut oil, you are choosing a piece of our nature, culture, and tradition. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more Sri Lankan stories.